Hi, my name is Lucas Bloxam. I'm the welding program coordinator here at ISU. I graduated from the program in 1997. I traveled all over the country welding critical pipe. And then in 2005, I got a job teaching here at ISU and absolutely love it. We have 5 current instructors, and all of our instructors have graduated from the welding program at ISU. All of our instructors currently go out and work in the field to stay abreast and keep up with the industry standards. So our program has a couple different options you can go towards. You can go towards the first year being all structural welding, meaning bridges, buildings, iron, etc. And the second year of our program is all critical pipe welding. You get a basic certificate, a welding certificate for the first year, or an advanced welding certificate for the second year. If you choose to get your associate's degree, you'll have to take a few more extra classes on top of that. We're basically taking the students from students who have never welded anything at all to be able to pass a critical pipe test when they're done in 2 years. Every job that the students go to, they have to take a welding test. They have to be able to perform quality X-ray welds while they're on the job to be able to keep the job. It's a very high strenuous, high paying, very rewarding career. It's always fun to drive through different states and projects that I've worked on and be able to see that, it's still standing 20, 25 years later, and being able to talk to my family about the projects that I've been in. It's very rewarding.